POV games frozen in time. Bruh. I'm so done with Gorilla Tag right now. No. Emmy sounds like a no. Cave divers for no reason. No, hold up. Play with cave divers for no reason. No, 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 no. Well, I'm the only cave diver that knows how to get up. Wait a minute, but something is something that they should have made and Gorilla Tag. Can I actually step on this? Cool. Bro, I'm so done with Gorilla Tag right now. What the? What the? Oh, dude. My favorite game. Oh, I actually got into the lobby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, 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 hey. Yo, bro, I'm getting. No. Bro, I kind of want to report to myself. Yo, why is Doug here? Doug the bug. And his children. I'm taking you away for good, bro. No. Oh no. You're going right now. Get in there. Don't red mud. I get mad.